Language. 1. Listen and practice saying the sentences. Pay attention to the underlined words.
1.
My town is nice and peaceful, but it isn't very big.
2.
Da Nang Museum of Cham Sculpture attracts a lot of foreign visitors.
3.
Were you wearing a helmet when you fell off your bike?
No, I wasn't. 4. Can I go to a party tonight, Mum?
OK, but please don't make noise when you come home.
5. My mum's really a good friend of mine.
Is she? Mine is very strict towards me.
2. Look at the underlined words in the sentences and mark them as W, weak, or S, strong. Then listen to check and practice.
1.
Is Mun happy about winning the scholarship?
Yes, he is, but his parents are happier. 2. I can't understand it. Aren't you my son? I'm terribly sorry, Dad, but it isn't entirely my fault. 3.
Pho Hien is a very old town in North Vietnam.
Is it? Where is it located? 4.
It's raining. Are they wearing raincoats?
She is, but he isn't.